Gas aerators are essential for roofing professionals who need reliable, high-powered tools to run nailers and other pneumatic equipment on job sites without electricity. The best models deliver consistent air pressure, portability, and durability. List number 1. NorthStar Portable Gas-Powered Air Compressor. The NorthStar Portable Gas-Powered Air Compressor is a powerhouse designed for serious roofing professionals. Equipped with a reliable Honda GX engine, it delivers high air volume and pressure to support multiple tools simultaneously. Its cast iron pump ensures durability and longevity, while the twin-cylinder design offers efficient cooling for longer run times. With a portable frame and large pneumatic tires, it's built for job site mobility. Ideal for contractors needing consistent, heavy-duty performance. With a portable frame and large pneumatic tires, it's built for job site mobility. It's built for job site mobility, ideal for contractors needing consistent, heavy-duty performance. With a portable frame and large pneumatic tires, it's built for job site mobility. With a portable frame and large pneumatic tires, it's built for job site mobility. With a portable frame and large pneumatic tires, it's built for job site mobility. Ideal for contractors needing consistent, heavy-duty performance. With a portable frame and large pneumatic tires, it's built for job site mobility. List number 2. Metabo HPT Air Compressor The Tank. The Metabo HPT The Tank air compressor is known for its rugged design and impressive PSI output. It can handle multiple roofing nailers at once, making it perfect for large projects. Built with an oil-free pump, it requires minimal maintenance while offering consistent pressure. Its compact size makes it easy to transport, yet it's tough enough for demanding environments. A go-to choice for professionals who need reliability and power in a portable package. List number 3. Metabo HPT Air Compressor The Tank Alternative Model. Another variant of Metabo HPT's The Tank offers slightly different configurations, including higher PSI capacity for even more demanding jobs. With its lightweight but durable build, it is easy to carry across job sites while providing ample air power for multiple tools. The oil-free pump system guarantees long-lasting performance with minimal upkeep. A solid investment for roofing crews needing a versatile and portable air supply solution for heavy-duty applications. List number: All-Top Air Compressor Kit. Dual-cylinder 12V portable inflator. 12.35 feet cubic min. The All-Top dual-cylinder portable air compressor is a versatile option, especially for smaller roofing tasks or job sites requiring a lightweight solution. Despite its compact design, it delivers an impressive 12.35 feet cubic min airflow, making it powerful enough for various air tools. Built for durability, it includes a heavy-duty carrying case and multiple nozzle attachments for versatility. Perfect for DIY roofers or contractors who need a portable, efficient, and quick inflating solution. List number 5. DEWALT Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor 20V Max. Air pump with automatic. While designed primarily as a tire inflator, the DEWALT 20V Max air compressor doubles as a portable option for light-duty roofing tasks. It features automatic shutoff for precision inflation and is compatible with DEWALT's 20V battery system for cordless convenience. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for quick jobs and maintenance work where larger gas compressors aren't necessary. A reliable choice for those seeking portability and ease of use in a versatile tool.